Let's talk about the banana. A fruit you probably have in your kitchen right now. It seems simple, but its journey from farm to fruit bowl is anything but. Behind every banana is a global story of hard work, innovation, and teamwork. Farmers, scientists, and factory workers all play a part in this massive supply chain. That banana started as a tiny plant, nurtured and protected for months before harvest. Some bananas are destined for a crunchier fate, banana chips. Their transformation involves peeling, slicing, frying, and flavoring. From field to fryer, it's a process requiring precision and speed. So next time you eat a banana or banana chip, remember the journey it took. Today we'll dig into that journey, step by step, from soil to snack. Let's get started. The journey of banana farming begins not with seeds, but with something called suckers. These are baby banana plants that sprout from the base of mature banana trees. Unlike many other crops, bananas don't grow from seeds, so farmers rely on these young offshoots to start new plants. Each sucker is a genetic clone of its parent, ensuring the next generation of bananas will have the same delicious qualities. Skilled workers carefully separate these suckers from the base of mature plants, making sure to keep the roots intact and healthy. This delicate process is crucial, because only suckers with strong, well-developed roots will survive and flourish once planted in the field. Once separated, each sucker is planted in meticulously spaced rows across the plantation. The spacing isn't random. It's calculated to give every plant enough room to grow tall and spread its leaves, while also allowing workers and equipment to move easily between the rows for maintenance and harvesting. Planting is hard, repetitive work, often done under the relentless heat of the sun. Yet, every single plant is set into the earth with care and precision, because the future of the crop depends on these first steps. Workers bend, dig, and plant for hours, knowing that their attention to detail now will pay off months later. Bananas are thirsty plants, requiring a steady and generous supply of water to thrive. To meet this need, farms invest in advanced irrigation systems, like sprinklers and drip lines, that deliver water directly to the roots, minimizing waste and ensuring every plant gets what it needs. Throughout the growing season, workers constantly monitor soil moisture levels using specialized tools. If the soil gets too dry, they adjust the irrigation, and if it's too wet, they hold back. This careful balance helps prevent disease and encourages strong, healthy growth. Over the course of several months, the banana plant grows rapidly, shooting up toward the sky and unfurling massive, vibrant green leaves. These leaves capture sunlight and help the plant produce the energy it needs to eventually bear fruit. As the plant matures, it begins to produce its own suckers at the base, continuing the cycle of life. These new shoots are the next generation, ready to be separated and planted elsewhere, ensuring the plantation's future. Not every sucker is chosen to become a new plant. Workers carefully select the strongest, healthiest sucker to take over as the main plant, removing the others so that all the plant's energy goes into producing a single, robust banana bunch. This focus on one main sucker per plant ensures that each banana tree produces a single, large, high-quality bunch of bananas, rather than several smaller, less impressive ones. The process is a continuous cycle: planting, nurturing, selecting, and renewing, each stage building on the last. It's a rhythm that keeps the plantation productive year after year. Every step, from planting to watering to selecting the best suckers, is aimed at maximizing both the quality and the yield of the bananas. Careful inspection and attention to detail are part of daily life on the farm. The journey from a tiny sucker to a fruit-laden plant is long and demanding, but it's absolutely essential for bringing those sweet, familiar bananas to our tables. Growing bananas means fighting disease and pests every day. Workers patrol the fields, cutting away diseased leaves to stop infections. They trim flower buds and remove weak flowers, channeling energy into the best fruit. Pests like aphids and mites are controlled with targeted pesticide sprays. Protective gear and careful handling are essential for safety. Every healthy plant is a victory. One missed problem can ruin a crop. It's relentless, hands-on work that keeps the plantation thriving. Vigilance and expertise are the keys to a successful harvest. Harvest time is all about timing and teamwork. Bananas are picked green, based on size and firmness, not color. A cutter partially slices the plant, lowering the heavy bunch. A backer catches it on their shoulder, preventing bruises. They carry the bunch to a collection point, navigating rough terrain. The cutter finishes the job, making a clean cut to prevent disease. Every bunch is inspected before heading to the packing facility. It's tough, sweaty work. Precision and strength are essential. Mistakes can ruin months of effort. These workers are the crucial first link in the banana's journey. Their skill and endurance set the stage for everything that follows. This is where the real dirty work begins. Moving delicate banana bunches is a logistical feat. Overhead cableways, like ski lifts for bananas, carry bunches smoothly to the factory. Along the way, bananas get an initial wash to remove dirt and insects. Workers insert soft paper between clusters to prevent bruising. This system saves labor and protects the fruit's quality. The cableway connects the heart of the farm to the processing line. Gentle, steady movement ensures bananas arrive in top condition. It's farm engineering at its best. At the factory, bananas are unhooked and inspected. Workers break down bunches into smaller hands with sharp knives. These hands are washed in tanks to remove sap and debris. Workers trim and sort clusters to meet strict size and appearance standards. The process is fast, wet, and messy, but essential. Every banana is checked for quality before packing. This is where raw produce becomes a consumer-ready product. Clean, trimmed, and sorted, the bananas are ready for their next journey. Every detail matters to ensure freshness and appearance. The transformation from field to market is nearly complete. After a thorough washing and careful trimming, the bananas begin their journey to the packing station, a crucial step in ensuring the fruit's freshness and quality. Here, the bananas are inspected one last time for any imperfections, and only the best are selected to move forward. Skilled workers use digital scales to weigh each cluster, making sure every package meets strict weight standards. This attention to detail helps guarantee consistency for customers and retailers alike, and minimizes waste by ensuring no banana is left behind. Next, advanced packaging machines gently wrap and seal the bananas in specially designed breathable plastic. This packaging not only protects the fruit from damage, but also allows just the right amount of air to circulate, keeping the bananas fresh for longer periods. To further protect the bananas during their long journey, a small dab of fungicide is applied to the cut stem. This simple but vital step helps prevent crown rot, a common issue that can spoil entire shipments if left unchecked. The bananas are then carefully layered into sturdy boxes, each layer separated by polythene liners. These liners cushion the fruit, preventing bruising and ensuring that every banana arrives in pristine condition, no matter how far it travels. A vacuum sealing process removes excess air from the bags, which slows down the ripening process. This is especially important for bananas destined for distant markets, as it helps maintain their green color and firm texture until they reach their final destination. Once packed, the boxes are securely sealed, labeled with important tracking information, and stacked neatly on pallets. This organization streamlines the shipping process and ensures that every box can be traced from the farm to the store shelf. The pallets are loaded into refrigerated containers, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. These mobile cold rooms are essential for keeping the bananas fresh and preventing premature ripening as they travel across continents and oceans. Thanks to this meticulous packing process, bananas arrive at their destination still green, firm, and ready to ripen naturally on store shelves or in your kitchen. At every stage, quality control teams monitor the process, checking for any signs of damage or spoilage. Their vigilance ensures that only the highest quality fruit makes it to market. The journey from packing facility to shipping port is long and complex, but every step is designed to preserve the banana's freshness and flavor, so they reach consumers in perfect condition. This entire process is a blend of modern science, precise technology, and the careful hands of experienced workers, all working together to deliver a simple fruit at its very best. Only after passing through these rigorous steps are the bananas finally ready for their global voyage, bringing a taste of the tropics to tables around the world. Not all bananas end up in fruit bowls or smoothies. Some take a completely different journey, one that transforms them into the crispy golden snack we know as banana chips. This process is a fascinating blend of tradition, technology, and teamwork, turning humble green bananas into a treat enjoyed around the world. It all begins with workers hand-peeling firm green bananas. Their hands move with practiced speed and precision, removing the thick skins without damaging the delicate fruit inside. This step is crucial, as only perfectly peeled bananas make the cut for chip production. Once peeled, the bananas are swiftly transferred to slicing machines. These machines are engineered to cut each banana into thin, uniform slices, ensuring that every chip will cook evenly. The whir of the blades is a constant soundtrack in the factory as hundreds of bananas are transformed into neat circular pieces. Consistency is everything here. If slices are too thick, they'll be chewy. Too thin, and they might burn. Uneven slices mean uneven cooking, which can ruin the batch. That's why both machines and workers keep a close eye on every step. The perfectly sliced bananas drop onto a moving conveyor belt, forming a steady stream that heads straight into massive industrial fryers filled with bubbling hot oil. The transformation from soft fruit to crispy chip happens in just moments. Workers monitor the frying process closely, adjusting temperature and timing to achieve the ideal crunch. Too little time, and the chips are soggy. Too long, and they're overdone. Timing is everything for that signature crispiness. After their hot oil bath, the chips are whisked away into a spinning, de-oiling drum. This machine removes excess oil, leaving the chips light and less greasy, ready for the next stage. Now dry and crispy, the chips tumble through a rotating flavoring drum. Here, they're dusted with a variety of seasonings, sometimes just a pinch of salt, other times bold spices or sweet flavors, depending on the recipe. The entire process moves at a rapid pace. The factory floor is a blur of motion, heat, and focus, with workers and machines working in perfect harmony to keep up with demand. From the sticky, careful work of peeling to the precision of automated slicing and the careful monitoring of frying, it's a true team effort. Each person plays a vital role in ensuring every chip meets quality standards. Before packaging, workers inspect the finished chips, checking for color, texture, and taste. Only the best make it through, a testament to the precision and hard work behind every batch. The transformation is remarkable, from raw green fruit to a crunchy golden snack. It's a process that combines nature, science, and human skill in every bite. Each chip carries the story of heat, oil, and flavor, an alchemy that turns simple bananas into something extraordinary. Finally, the banana chips are packed and sealed, ready to travel from the factory floor to store shelves and, eventually, to your snack bowl. The journey from fruit to fry is complete, and the snack aisle awaits. The last stage, packaging banana chips for the world. Chips are weighed and dropped into bags by automated machines. Each bag is heat-sealed to lock in freshness and crunch. Workers pack bags into boxes, careful not to crush the chips. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and prepped for shipping. From sticky hands to high-speed machines, every step matters. The journey from farm to snack is a blend of human effort and technology. Every bite is the result of countless hours of hard work. Even the simplest foods have incredible stories behind them. So next time you snack, remember the journey and the people behind it.